ndirobhile wangathi ndirobhile. Kodwa nalo urobhile lo kodwa ndicela Lo ungathathi imiklipi enkulu. Ipayishika kuzam. Kasula wani ngifaya ngikasula. Angisemhle. Igwinya nawe nkazi. Yimi lo igwinya. Elinamafutha ne. Alang bagus jalan. Uthini kanti nyeke kutheni wanyekenyeka kutheni wanyekenyeka umntanyekenyeka mntanza sanibona. Thank you wena mapetsi umuhle wena, thank you sir. Bonjour ukombili hankumba saniphethe bobubi uyahlaja wena. Wena uyahlaja wena. Wena uyahlaja wena. Kodwa before let's go raise things out starting. Need to control it. If you can't connect, my network is bad. I planted one. Don't keep the camera. Over from back at the chair in peace. Don't keep the camera. Keep the camera. The wild mass is coming. So Unibela amanzi ohlamba. Unibela amanzi ohlamba. Unibela amanzi ohlamba. Azohamba wedwa itshana moya. Ayihluphi. Yaphole pale la. Mrani. Abathembisa ufika sihlobo. Abathembisa ufika today. Okay, come tell cool. I'll be busy now. Awe business. Ungamiyeka ngakufaki impendulo lapho. Aha. Sizayivala yonke leso wethu. Sanibona. But the most part I like is Bon Jovi. Sanibona. Once in the massive kapelo wala siya wanjam. Mase Sepeka. Hi Mase, how are you? I hope you're good, my dog. I'm okay. Just we don't have electricity. It's been 2 weeks now. So it is just nonsense when it comes to electricity. So it's not easy. Yeah, that's just the life. Molweni kwedini. The network at bedtime. Ubando uneo uthi kwedini kum. Yo, lo bhuti wale kwa Ela. Molo bhuti. Molo bhuti neo. Nela wakwa sis Ela. Molo bhuti. I hope uthengisa into ekhoyo kapha. Yathanda uthengisa iayikho. Ntombi Smilo ngibuzile. Ubuze into nami. Tell me. Lol so. Ngizobuya apha ngizonibona soon. I bought a car. Thanda nginibonisa imoto yami. Nansi imoto yami pake phaa. Nansi. I'm gonna drive that car today. Thank you. Ifana leya. Sisteri! Siyaphila njani? Ay ngirelaxile ngizawumamela umzimba. Abangishengiwa no but ku right konke mosheke. Danko. Ifana leya. Avuyile mbisa siyandeza mntasi. Yo mntasi ekhaya utshintsha igama ogogo. Why ungangosanisiwe kungcebisa ungavuyile? Kusiyami. Uyeza kuphi? Usegauteng? Tell me when you're here. I'm gonna visit you at the car now. Hey, ngibiziwe wala siko bay. Ngathi usebram fisher 2 weeks without usebram fisher dog. Still no fisher. Ngikhale Fisher Vale. Ingathi usebram fisher 2 weeks without message. Mandusi sawubona. Yazi iyafana nelokishi yasebram fisher. Yeah, this is Bram Fisher my dog. We'll talk via inbox. Okay, I'll give you my number. Send me an inbox there. I'll give you my number. Busy notification. Hi. I have uhlala nathi ngihlala Bram Fisher. Ngihlala ngela Bram Fisher Muslim. I've skipped 3 years ngihlala la. Hi Andy. Kita Piklicha. Hey, how are you? Zange ndabona ngasendleleni. Yo. And angizulu yazi. I think I've grown so much. I'm Zulu, but yesterday I was in Davidson. Angizuli great yes, but izolo I went to Davidson. It was my friend's birthday. And then sadly Nyama. And then from there we drove back to Maboneng. It was just a lot in Maboneng. My girlfriend what we are Saba. So I drove, I came home. Hi Sam. I drove, I came home. Konani ke Dobsonville Mall. Hlubikazi mthimkhulu. Wonzani Dobsonville Mall best friend. Happiness. Hi sawubona bonjwang. Happiness uthini manje? Thank you, Nixta, for the donut. Ufuna ungibona ngijiva. Ngijiva chim, jiva nge-50 rand. Ufuna inamba yamatsho ngimsendele. Ngijiva nge-50 rand. 50 rand ukujiva. 50 rand. Faka 50 rand ubone. Sengiyajiva. Ngijiva chip kanjani? Send cash send. Jiva nge-50 rand. But you need jukebox. Jukebox a 5 tiger. Yabo? See, your greeting is long. Yo, I do this. Ay. Nina ang nazo ukuthi ningfunani. Some other people will complain ukuthi I did not include their languages, right? And then when I do that, when I include their languages, they say my greeting is long. Ay. Ipofa pick alive purple. Uthi no end. Hello ngibiziwe, hi. Khehla, bonjour. Sithi sanibonani molweni, bonjour. Sibiziwe. Azange ngibize kwamuntu ke namhlanje. Azange ngibize kwamuntu. One language people cha. Now it defeats the whole purpose. It takes away that thing. Angeke. Like I've watched my previous videos. My previous videos would be Sanbonan, and then I get to it doesn't give me the thing mean. Remember, in order for me to make you laugh, I need to be in the mood, and the greetings get me into the mood. You understand? So it doesn't work for me. I'm sorry. There are people that says they fast forward me. If fast forwarding me works, do it, my dog. Mr. Ponjo upumkhelo semotweni njam. That's your trademark. Puma go like my dog. At least someone understand. Thank you, Kehla Jam. Bacela. Oh. See, I just start laughing when I see your face. Yazi, njengoba ningangithathi serious. I wish you guys can see me emsebenzini. Into engiserious yona Nkosi yami. Into engiserious yona emsebenzini ungasaba. Into engiserious yona emsebenzini into ongayisaba ungibona sengiserious lapha ngikhuluma isilungu. Ngithi how can I help you today? Spola wala. Sanibonani molweni. Dumelang. Bonjour. 2K short poison. I learned. Uthini mntase, how can I help you? Ngiyena ndikuxelela wena. Sengithi how can I help you today? Kona madlabeni wena undazi wena. Why ungukhitha manje Bhekitha? Why utshintsha igama? Hey, mntasekhaya lo. Bonjour, hi Lisa, how are you? Lisa Omafaku, sisibongo sakho or okay, is it the surname or sisiduko? Ndithethe isiXhosa. Kehla, and we love that trademark. It's special. I wish to meet you face to face for 10 minutes, my dog. I hope God will make that time. Don't worry. It's Zenom Kit. You are not Zenom Kita. When you were my classmate, when you are Zim Kita, Bigit. Maybe yes. The meaning behind that word Zenom Kita. When unguzimkhitha wena. You were my classmate wena. In 2 different schools. Nandi. You were my classmate in primary. You were my classmate in another primary. He's a wife song and I don't have a wife, but my girlfriend is Xhosa. Yeah, amagama wethu siya. Wena ungusandisiwe Mngcabisa wena. Angikwazi wayo nguAvuyile. Okuwona le yamkhuba hey ngichaza lo mntasekhaya lo. Okuwayele mkhuba kudala ya ku Facebook. Yobaleka abantu athi nje amagama ku Facebook ndingayazi ubalekani. Wena and uyikisa wena. Zichwane. Hello Ndibiziwe, hi. Atulisa sisiduko sam. My name is Momoza. Momoza. Like Momoza. Hi Lisa. Yo. Didi boy. Shosho boyzini. Phuyo kuhle, hi phuyo kuhle unjani? Uzoba sathini xa sitshadile? Yo, should I tap the screen? Please tap the screen, Didi. Okay. Uzoba sathini xa sitshadile? And noyithuni ngaba sekhaya. Uzimkhitha no Avuyile ke /Sansiwe. Ngomadlamini boyi2. Kodwa ke the tricky part is that in the Xhosa kingdom sine types zeziduko. Ndingodlamini kodwa xa ndizithutha ndinguSibakhulu, uNdlovu zidle ekhaya, uMagaduzela, uNhlangwini, yabo? And so on. Kodwa bona xa bezithutha bathi ngozizi. Ngozizi ne? Andizazi kodwa ngozizi baqhubeke. Ndiyazi. Bayazazi bona. Kodwa I've heard a rumor in the past ukuthi abadlamini boyi2 they are not related by the way, but thina siyabafoster ukuthi babe related. But kuthiwa ma utsala kuthiwa into kanene ihistory ufuna ibiza ngesiXhosa. Imvelaphi, yes. Xa ujonga imvelaphi kuthiwa abadlamini they were brothers. Yabo? Kodwa ngoku bathe baqhekeka bazibiza differently. Kodwa into eyenzekayo ngoku bayatshatana. Sigaxa sento. Uyayiva ke ngoku? Odlamini yinto eyi-1. Some people beg to differ. I kid you not. Some people beg to differ. For example, manje nangu kunodlamini ifikile apha. Udlamini is her surname. Ayisosiduko. Dlamini efikile tell me now ukuthi ngubani isiduko sakho, or if you're Zulu yini isithakazelo sakho. Uzobeva besithi abanye isithakazelo sakhe ibe isename yakhe kuDlamini athi isithakazelo sakhe uSibakhulu. Kube uSibakhulu kum isithakazelo. Uyayiqonda? Yo, hayi imvelaphi nzima. Ndakhula siya, my second name is on my ID, is Avuyile. Why ndingayazi loo nto? Yes Antsel, why ndingayazi loo nto? Ndiyaphila bhuti kunjako, ndiyaphiwa kuhle ndiyaphila. Hi Siya Bondrizi, lol hi. I mean my second name go ID. Really? Intsha? Avuyile Mngcabisa somlobolise ID yam. Ndifuna ukuyibona. Manje ngoDlamini, uZizi, uMrhawu, uMjokotweni. Uyava ke ngoku? Yabona ke ngoku? Ndiyaqala uziva ezi. OMrhawu. ngicela abanye ozisizi bake bavela apha abanye odlamini ke sive le nto ukuthi thini le nto. So njengoba bonke bodlamini ke bezi-types bakwazi ukuthandana. Hey, can you explain khona ithini into yodlamini abangaka? Andiyazi nawe mntasekhaya, andiyazi mntasekhaya ukuthi ithona into yodlamini abangaka. I thought you just read comments then you laugh, can't it's deeper than. Yeah, I do. When I look at the comments, I always try to understand, ne, and then relate. That's why some of the videos I don't do, ne, because I always try to relate. And then ezinye videos are sensitive, and abanye abantu abanderstand ukuthi siya ngiyakuteka ama-video nami, you don't come. Like I check ukuthi video njani, like sometimes ezinye videos are sensitive nabantwana and others disabled people are affected, and lana ku TikTok nina yabo lana nikrwada. So I check the video and I analyze it. Check good, is it good for my brand? Is it good for our brand? It's not going to offend anyone, yabo. So yeah, the history says that odlamini into A1 babesuka eSwatini bonke then baya kwindawo ngendawo. But they are the same. So imagine umama lapho utshela lapha ngodlamini xa umemeze kitchen. Hey Madlamini, khandi yenze lito apho ekitchen. Madlamini, ndizakwenzela. Hectic. Bayayenza loo nto mntaze, cause my brother used to date my high school friend who's also Dlamini. Yayiva ke ngophiwe kuhle. Yayiva ke ngophiwe kuhle. Siqobo mhlawumbi. Waye kahlambi kanti. Yeah. Anisaya apha ke mna. Uzohamba wedwa. Andifuni uyajuzi. Oh, Tshegofatso. Oh, I love your content. Thank you, Tshegofatso. Thank you so much. This just says it. Okay, I read it. Nontle, hi. The Conqueror, hi. Chaotic Han, hi Chaotic Han. Why are you Chaotic Han? Why? Asive yako ubuya nini ngoDecember? Oh, Asive. Mna ke no Asive ndinibalisele. Mna ke no Asive sasikhwela i-transport A1. Ne? No Asive sasikhwela i-transport A1. I-transport ayidrayiva ngonye ubaba uthiwa ngubaba uMaduna. I-venture ebomvu. Asive, do you still remember? Do you still remember? Hectic, my dog. Good times. Yeah. Wow. Life. Yeah, hayi nyani kwadlamini siyachatana. Like make it make sense, my dog. Ukuthi why sizothi join ndiyatshalelanga. Ha. Ndiyatshalelanga thingene la. Yeah, much better. Nandi. Yeah, much better. Jessica, hi. Usayikhumbula Susan ndimlibala. So ndimlibala. Babulando bakumaduna ngalibala yonke into. Life is chaotic, man. What do you mean? No, it is. It is chaotic, but why would you name yourself after that? Remember, umlomo uyadala. Don't you think? I saw a video here on TikTok. Lonye usisi igama lakhe nguNomvula, ne? Njengoba igama lakhe enguNomvula, uthi every year on her birthday it rains. You understand? So igama umlomo uyadala. Igama lam abantu bebefunda nam, my former classmates, abozimkhitha apha, they know my full name. The way I'm so blessed. The way I'm so blessed, best friend. Because of, I always speak positivity. I remember the other day, I had money in my account, ne? But I said, "Ndi broke." I'm like, no, umlomo uyadala. Uthixo uzayithanda le nanathi you saying umlomo wakho. Life is chaotic, yes, but try to put in positivity at one question. It's gonna come back to you. It will, I promise. It happens ngoba uNomvula vele, even when they travel long distance it rains. Hectic. Ingxaki abafana ngoku ndingodlamini, ukhona uDlamini endingashwani naye emaxhantini. But don't you think nje the thing it's wrong on its own nje, dating someone you share isiduko naye? It's wrong on all levels, my dog. It can never be right. I've never dated someone called Dlamini. Azange. Ne? Almost did one time, but when we discovered that Sasingo Dlamini, we stopped it right then. Yabo? So yeah. U-Aseve uphike ngoku Aseve ubalekile. Bantu bachatile Aseve bachata. That's nice. Sanibonana, hi Magatso. Totally wrong. Ndikhule kusithiwa you'll have a disabled baby if you date Dlamini to Dlamini. You see? You see? Sikhule kusho nje ukuthi if you date someone wakowenu thola umntwana ontringayo. But I think those are just beliefs, man. But I think those are just beliefs, man. Bro, you once took my girl, but Dago is Mina. I took your girl. Wait. Me. Who was your girl? Dashing. Wait. I took your girl. Mina. Who was your girl? I want name and surname. Bonjuzi was serious. No, siyaxoxela, nothing serious. This guy said I took his girl. But I saved you. Who was your girl, my dog? Tell me. I want name and surname so that I can confirm. Ngijole kakhulu, my dog, man. Ngijole kakhulu. But guy manje. Ngiyakuganga. Oh, na hawuqoqisi. No, sixoxa sonke. Ubhizi name and surname. I want name and surname. Ndizawukwazi ndixelele ngokuthi iyaxoka lo mntwana. How did you know, my dog, if it was me who took your girl? I got wrong. Can't play like that, my dog. Hey, that I remember I once dated this other petty girl. 2019, 2018. We were both interns. I used to work for this other TVET college in the East Rand. So it told no girl. We were both interns. Hey, girl. Baby. Come back at tripod. Oh, girl, we met on sport day on the weekends. So on the weekends, they usually sport escape. Wonke ama-campus ayahlangana, then kudlala ibhola. It's nice vibes, yabo? It's nice vibes, sharp. And then we met no girl, saklika, sancokola. It was nice. And then safa abantu abano baby. Tambizela for long. Baby! Kusemanzini. Thi ngifuna ukulanda tripod ngizoncokola nani kahle. Ningahambi. Yes. Tripod. Thank you. Manje kumemeza nje baby uthi omunye safa ngabantu abano baby. Profile ayibe purple. Chaotic nathi sinabo qha abayazi rodwa. Sugqoka. Guys, tell me, mina I want to know. Umuntu ongajoliyo uhlelele ndona ngajoli. There's no way mina I believe akekho umuntu athi uyafuna ukujola kodwa ngajoli ayikho nje le umuntu ofuna ukujola le lecture yozimkhithi athi sinabo qha basi ngiyenzeni le gender yakho iyahethana not yonke just learn xa ujola unga afaka amazipho uzohetheka vele yabo until you find the right one. There's this guy othi I took his girlfriend but ngamsiza ukuphi sekulate ngokusozama next year. Akukho late for umjolo. Yazi awukho umjolo omnandi oqala ngale ikhathi. Lona no live. Bozothini? Awukho umjolo omnandi njengalo mjolo lo ngalesikhathi. Do you know why? Because sekulate ukhwapho sivakashela na guy 1 guy 2 singola guy 1 guy 2 siyavakashela sizakhala regiment nandi bayiblo moto yabo bese ziyakhala. You don't need to be in a relationship with faka. You can just do faka and a big relationship. Because Nina, I feel like in the ballet. Okay, wait. Ngizama something it's fine. Yes, it my dog. Sometimes I feel like mina into ebalulekileyo if uyazazi ukuthi awukho ready for ukujola ne sufika uxoke abanye abantwana ubaxele ukuthi uyabathanda he promised them the world and whatnot. No, be upfront. Ne? Chaze ukuthi Jongachomi mna ndisifuna nje faka. Yabo? Hlukane nama feelings. Yabo? Ngoba ama feelings sokuhlanyisa. That's why niba hate. Ndithi ndifike kuma relationship abe thola ukuthi kule relationship omunye ufuna ifaka. Kodwa ufike waxoka sangabe upfront. Wathi hayi yena ufuna umjolo. Abe exoka. Yabo? Nansi into wrong. Ile yofika uxoke uthi umthembisa ilizwe onye umntana. Uzazi baba ufuna ifaka. So le gender yethu sometimes ifika ixoke, ne? Sometimes nani mantombazana ni wrong, ne? Ni wrongo nifike ku relationship wenze faka nomfethu ibhede faka, ne? Uthi umfethu wamathumo nesinodle ube sungamxeleli umfethu udle phansi. Ebuthi akekho umuntu right? Ni wrong nonke? Ni wrong nonke? So I'm like mna as practice any business communication. Simple, ahlaleni phansi, incokole, Jongachomi. Ngifuna ifaka. Ndithanda kanje. Nomfethu athi okay ngithanda kanje. Athi okay sharp. Magundweni, magezwe. Yabo? Izinto ezinjalo. Communication, simple. Ayikho lula lento, ayikho nzima. Simple this thing. Phuma endaweni, yabo? Akumnandi kwa love. He's loud and proud about loving me. Yo bethunana. But now when athubelihle, how do you feel about him? Have you been with someone who loves you dearly, but you don't feel the same way? Do you know that? Like, it's a sad feeling. Like, yo, this person uyandithanda, ne? And I don't give a shit, my dog, about it. Yazi buhlungu kuphi? Isikhathi sakho sizakufikela now. Ne? That relationship is one-sided. The relationship is one-sided. Izophela. Uzothola omunye omthanda angakuthandi. Do you know what we call that? Karma. We call it karma. It's karma, get yam. Most men find it as it's disrespectful when you told them it's 2 minutes. No. Remember, an approach, Matlamin. An approach ibalulekile. Ngeke ufike utshela indoda ukuthi to say ngichaza ukuthi angithi vele siyayazi. Yabo? Intombazana futhi that would expect that ingabe yahlanya but ngayitshela ukuthi yahlanya. Kwiround lokuqala. Kuyakhawuleza ndithi we know that, right? Yes. So kwelesi-2 you expect it to last a bit longer, ne? So if kulelesi-2 kwenzeka the same that happened kwelokuqala, that's when a conversation needs to be had. Uthi umbuzo ukuthi why ukhawuleze waqipha. Uzombuza kanjani? Uzombuza ukuthi sithanda sami hayi ukhawuleze waqipha, why kwenze njani, ne? And umchazele ukuthi I want us to talk about it. Ungabi namahloni, ne? Ungabi namahloni, asincokole. I want us to talk about it. So that would mean if you guys are open to talk about it, that means you are fixing, because into engathethwa ayilungi. Yabo? Because if anayithethe ayizolunga. So find a way engazomphatha kakubi, nawe engazokuphatha kakubi nawe if bekunguwe. Yabo? So it's about finding the right words. Simple. Ngicathulise, yo, I don't see you, Molo my dog, but there are men abane ego. And then if bane ego ke madlamini, it's not on you. You tried your part. That's when you are given a go ahead to udle phansi. Yabo? Umuntu xa umnceda they feel like uyageza
that would be a very immature man. Ingaba ingede ngenangqondo leyo. Ube umuntu mzama umbonisa angafuna uboniseka. No, I disagree. There's a comment I saw, yo iqala ngathi it's just a vibe, but ngikhethile Chomi and he's noticing Thubelihle. Ngiyayazi inkinga yenu bantu besifazane. Abantu besifazane, I can tell you now. Umuntu wesifazane ungamphatha kahle. Umcheck. Ask about their day. Usende a mere 200 rand ukuthi athenge lunch. Ubese faka. Wenze sure khethile lonja. Lonja le khethe finish. There's no way so zingakhethi. You understand? Now it fucks up with the whole arrangement because benivumelene ukuthi it's just vibes. Khethelana. Why you catcher Thubelihle? Hlatshwayo. Why you catcher? Khethela ntoni? Xa imnandi kuthiwa no, xa imnandi mntase qhubeka nayo ungakhethi. Yeka feelings. Refumo, is that gay? No, I'm not, but I'm straight. Xa imnandi kuthiwa ngeke ikhale ngabe imnandi. Izinto zalapha emhlabeni zimnandi vele uzawuthini? Athi Thubelihle odlise isikwadi so week uThubelihle khethela ntoni? Uyakhetha hayi suka. Khoya Morris yandibiziwe, show my dog. See, I could get the invite to the party. I wish. I wish. I didn't get. Lol, after dating a narcissist, I didn't think I'll fall in love. I think falling in love, I think we need to differentiate between falling in love and lust. Because I think in most times we get to mix the two up. Sometimes nje uyakhala. Bese moya ithulile into ifunayo. Usheshe ubhoreke, yabo? Hello. Time is up for what? Yeah? Can I put? Ndizogeza. Gezelani. Ndigezelani? Entanga ndigezani. Uyahlanya. Andindawo. But nane man umntu uyokupha kamnandi after anga-understand wayozofuna more. No, ukufuna more akho ngxaki nofuna more. Ufuna more is understandable. Ingxaki ukukhetha. Phina futhi? Kuthini ungabi nanto ngoba ungena moto? Ubuqhela uhamba ngantoni xa uyetshana moto before nibe nemoto? Bengiqhela uhamba nawe kodwa lowo. Request kaloku i-Uber ikhona, i-Bolt ikhona nje. I-Bolt ikhona mos Uber ikhona. Kaloku ngiqhela uhamba nawe. Ukwenza cup zo request? Imoto ikhona. What's the point of it? Wow, Zimkhitha. nguye mos othanda mna kuqala. Didn't want it to just happen. Okay, I think now you guys need to talk about it. To be hayi man, ndikwi-live man apha, calm down. Hayi uhlamba ndizohlamba kona. Okay, ndiyeza 5 minutes. No, there's nothing wrong with it, but I think now the circumstances of your relationship have changed, of the situationship have changed. Now anisenzi ngoba benenza. Now kumele nikhulume ngendlela enizothethana ngayo going forward, because there's gonna be expectation. Remember, in a relationship, both parties we're expected to be greeted. Check. Good morning. How did you sleep? What are you having for breakfast? What are you up to? How's your day looking like? Can I see you later? Can I bring you lunch? All those things. Because now, if those things are not happening, there's gonna be smaller conflicts. Because the relationship in good, and then when it graduated to some sort of relationship, because nikechile azange nikhulume ngayo. Understand? Okay. I doesn't catch feelings. It's not your fault, to me. Right. Hectic. Spongy, thank you for the gifts, my dog. Abantu abanemoto. So bona be a love daughter once, because bayasingisa abafana. Shem. Asikise mntasi. Baba yini guys, thane ndiyohlamba. Bese ngingena emotweni yami ndiye eJozi Capitarium. Ufuna ndimkhaphe. Ish, banemoto kuyahlupha. Hello ndibiziwe, the happy joker. Show my dog. Let me go. Bye, Chaotic Con. Ubiziwe somewhere. Bye, Sia, you made my day, va. Let me follow you to Belihle. Now in Nekuba week. Have a great one, Dlamini. Thank you, Madlamini.